This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the minimal structure. Open Visual Studio and add index. HTML and page 2. HTML in the same project folder. Once done, confirm names and extensions match exactly because links are case sensitive on many servers. Make sure you can preview a file in the browser from VS, now open index. HTML and ready your editor pane. You will add an anchor tag that points to page 2. HTML, so navigation works locally and later on deployment. You now add the link markup inside index. HTML, type a href equals page 2. HTML go to page 2 / where you want navigation. Use a relative path like /page 2. HTML if you prefer explicitness. Relative links keep things portable across environments. Once typed, save the file and note why this works. The browser resolves the href to another file in the same folder. Also include meaningful link text and a title attribute, so users and you finish by testing, open index. HTML in the browser from Visual Studio and click the link to confirm it reaches page 2. HTML. If the navigation fails, check common issues, mismatched file name case, wrong folder path like, /versus, / or unsaved edits. Make sure your server or live preview is running if required. If problems persist, open DevTools Network and Console to spot 404 errors or blocked requests. That tells you whether the path or server config is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.